It takes the hands of craftsmen who know the old school way. No shortcuts, no surrender, no compromise in line. We breathe new life in classics, mechanical divine. Bring it back to glory, don't let time betray. The Scuderia touch will light the righteous way. Alpha dreams and Ferraris fly with Maseratis racing by, and the E9's grace won't fade away.
Hi, we are driving today Ferrari 330 V12 series, and now we'd like to test the car.